How can we enhance our image quality using AI? Well, let's go to applications in Tensorart, specifically the AI image upscaler section. Here, as you can see, there are various examples of what you can achieve with this tool. For instance, this pixelated image has been transformed into this clearer one. To start, we'll upload the image we want to upscale or improve in quality. In this case, I've uploaded this image, and now we just need to select some saved models. For example, I have this quote flux.one quote model here, which I'm going to use. If you want to specify exactly what to enhance, you can use this pencil tool, okay? Just sweep over and select the areas you want to improve, and it'll only affect those parts. Anyway, we'll leave it as is, hit go, and it'll automatically start the upscale. As you can see, we've reached the final result. Here's the upscaled, enhanced image. Let's compare the before and after. It might look the same at first glance, but there's a real difference. Look closely at the details, especially the wood texture where the pencil rests. Notice how much sharper the pixels are, particularly in the leaf. Everything appears much more detailed, with each pixel more refined. That's how you can enhance your images with just one click using Tensorart. Now you know how to do it yourself.